Found this in a dumpster. I had no idea what it was.
1984. The computer that changed the world. Thrown away like trash.
AI identified it in 3 seconds. I almost threw it back. AI gave me a complete step-by-step revival plan.
This is what 40 years of neglect looks like.
This is what it looked like the day Steve Jobs unveiled it.
Inside was even worse. 40 years of dust and dead components.
AI scanned the board and found exactly what was dead. Capacitor leakage, trace corrosion, 85% severity.
AI's first fix panned, reversing 40 years of yellowing.
Every dead component replaced. Guided by AI part numbers. Week 310, putting 40 years back together.
The most iconic sound in tech history. After 40 years.
Dumpster. Desk. AI made this possible.
Should I find what's on the hard drive? Comment Mac.